Hi guys, so I'm going to show this Helios 44 amp lens that I have. It's 58mm f2. And you can see here this is a serial number. I'm going to show you the aesthetics of it. So this is the front. This is one side, which I'm going to rotate and show you. And this is the back. Okay, show you the glass. The front. Well, now I'm gonna show you the blades itself. So you can see that the blades, they work fine. There's an auto mode as well, which after activated, you can press here to activate the aperture. So yes, it works. In the meantime, let's do a shine test. Alright, so if I don't shine anything, it seems to be clear lah. But you know, there you go for the test. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.